Welcome back to EatSleepYangon channel. Today we are going to explore around 12 streets in downtown area. So let's follow me. Today's video is sponsored by Myanmar Best Ticket. If you are in Myanmar and also having a hard time to buy a best ticket, an email can solve your problem. So just send an email to us with your information and then you will get your e-ticket. If you need more than a best ticket, you can also buy flight ticket and other services like hotel, car rental, and even travel insurance. So our website address is mentioned in the description and also discount promo code for you. Okay, now the first place we are going to is City Central Motel. So before we get inside, and let's check the review first. And then okay, had a great view of the Golder, and then friendly and helpful hosts, and then also the rooms are clean and tidy. So let's get check the reviews are right or not. So let's follow me. Alright, now I'm inside the City Central Motel, so then I got a chance to look around this hotel, so let's go and check the rooms. The bed is comfortable, and also according to the review, the room is nice and then tidy. Yeah. Yeah, that's clean. Right now here you can get the hot and cold water, and also the toilet is inside, and also they provide some soap in the shower. Yeah, and also it's clean. The closet is nice, and then this one is a deluxe double room, and then it also costs $45 per night. This location is quite good because it's in the downtown area, and also you will get a comfortable bed. Now I'm here at the rooftop restaurant, so where you can have your breakfast in the morning, and also you can also see the really nice city views over there. Alright, now I'm in front of the Jen Japanese restaurant, so before we get inside, let's check the review first. So yeah, the plate is nice and food is fresh and good, and also great ramen in Yangon. So let's check the reviews are right or not. Okay, here I'm inside the Jen restaurant, and then I'm gonna try miso ramen. To be honest, I've never tried the ramen before. That's my first time. Then let's try. My order has arrived, and here you can see seaweed and so many ingredients, and then it looks cute. So since it's my first time, so I'm so excited to try. Then let's try. The noodle is so soft, and then it's original miso flavor, and also here you can, as you see, so many ingredients at a time, and also you can taste all the ingredients. Okay, let me try the seaweed. Mm. It's perfect with this ramen. Alright, now I'm in front of the Saint Lucille Shan Noodle restaurant. So as usual, before we get inside, and let's check the review. So good taste, clean, and also cheap price. Okay. Yep, nice food. So let's try. Okay, in here they also serve traditional curry and then various kind of meats and vegetables. So here is the sweet and spicy chicken, and then also fish, and over there it's chicken soup, and all dishes are cooked by Shen style. So yeah, and also the price is around about 4,000 kyats to 5,000 kyats. So which is around about $3. Alright, now I'm inside the Saint Lucia restaurant, and then I'm gonna check the menu, and okay, let's check what can I get it. Okay, this one seems look interesting for me, so which is mala spicy noodle with pork belly, so I'm gonna try that one. Okay, now my order has arrived, and with also crispy pork belly and also some herbs, and yeah, it looks delicious. And here is the condiment, which is vegetable pickles, and then if you like sour taste, you can add this one, so because it's a little bit sour. Okay, now I'm gonna try. Okay, since it is sticky rice noodle, so it's chewy, and also the taste is a little bit spicy since it is mala flavor, and also I can get the smell of mala flavor. And then yeah, the pork belly is crispy in my mouth. Okay, the price of this noodle is 3,000 kyats, which is around $2. Now I'm in front of a small factory. Here you can see so many women are busy with tailoring, and then here is the typical factory in Myanmar. Yeah, they keep doing it because they are paid by the pizza, so they are really busy. Okay, this place is so interesting because it is the typical employment for the women in Yangon. Okay, this is a kind of Myanmar traditional dessert, and also it includes a lot of ingredients. As you can see, bread and also coconut milk and different kinds of jelly here, and also sticky rice. So I'm gonna take some, and then yeah, it's sweet and cold because it includes ice in it. So it's a really nice dessert in Myanmar. Especially in summertime because it's cool. So when you are in Myanmar and the weather is really hot, and then you can see those kind of women who is selling this dessert around the street. So you should try this one. And also the price is only 500 kyats, which is around 30 cents. Okay, now I'm in front of the typical back alley in downtown area. In downtown area, there are so many alley between the blocks. So some of the back alleys are being renovated by Do Eng. So you can see really nice decoration there. And then the one here is the typical alley. So let's check. Okay, now I'm here at the back alley here. If you are seeing our old video, you can see a lot of different. As you see, some of the alleys are renovated and this one is not yet. So it's a typical alley, and here you can see a lot of weeds here, and also it's not even a safe place for your children to play in here. So hopefully it will become a really nice play and being renovated by DOE. And then yeah, it's gonna be, I hope it's gonna be a really nice play to visit and also for children to play in here. So if you like this video, you probably like this video and this video also.